So this is a 3 BHK flat for rent in Bajram New Town, west facing main door, east facing balcony. It is 1800 square feet on 12th floor. This will be your spacious living room. You can check the size of this living room. This flat is going for the rent first time. You have an attached balcony over here. It's view inside society. You can check the view from the society. We have Bhartiya Nico Homes, Sobha City, that one. This is on Thani Sandra Main Road, Bajram New Town, a brand new flat from Bajram. This will be your modular kitchen. You can check the size of kitchen. Here you have place for your refrigerator, chimney is fitted, place for your water purifier, a lot of storage, and you can check how beautifully this kitchen is done. And this will be your separate utility area. You can plan your washing machine over here. You have provision for your washing machine, dishwasher. This is Sobha City, just next to your Bajram New Town. There is another society, Bhartiya City. I will show you from the master bedroom. We have all the amenities in this society and it have been started. So we have 3 bathrooms here, 2 attached, 1 common. This will be your common washroom and a first bedroom. You can check the size of even this bedroom as well, with a wardrobe full size and locks. This is DX Max Sky City. We have Bhartiya Nico 2 office spaces there. We have some playing area over here. I'll show you that one. While moving forward, we have this second bedroom, again with some foyer area, attached washroom. You can check the size of this washroom as well. With the storage, everything has been done. Geyser have been fitted upside. This will be your second bedroom. You can make it as your parents' bedroom or a children bedroom. Wardrobe with lofts, and you can check the view from this bedroom as well. Bhartiya Nico 2. And this office space, we have DX Max Sky City. Manyata Tech Park is just 10 minutes drive from here. Airport is just 20 minutes drive from here. We have all out of amenities in this society. You can just check the basketball court, some cricket pitch and playing area. Moving forward, I will show you the master bedroom. The rent for this flat is 50,000, all including maintenance. We have this master bedroom with an attached balcony. I will show you the balcony. A walk-in closet. You can check the size of this wardrobe as well. We have a lot of storage with the attached washroom. Sorry for the light. This is the attached balcony from your master bedroom. You can again check the amazing view from your flat. Bhartiya Nico Homes. You can contact for more information 911 320 3639. You will be first one to stay in this flat. I'll show you once again. This is your living room, your kitchen with separate utility. You have second bedroom with attached washroom, your common washroom, your first bedroom which have no washroom inside, and this is your master bedroom. So we have a lot of security system here. A security, like you have card, pin code and a key.